Hello, my name is Patricia Elia. I'm from the law firm of Elia Associates, and I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about the expropriation process. Expropriation is alive and well in the province of Ontario because we are seeing a lot of building, growth, and infrastructure development. So, why do you care? Because condominiums in our book of business have actually been approached by expropriating authorities to ask for the use of the land or the taking of certain lands. That is what expropriation is. It's the taking of an owner's land without their consent by an expropriating authority. Although that sounds a little bit ominous, it is actually a negotiable and navigable process. And we'd like to help you understand that process a little bit more deeply. It begins by the expropriating authority contacting your board of directors to negotiate and discuss the lands that they would like to either use through an easement or take, and thereby take full ownership over the lands. Now, generally, the expropriating authorities don't take more than what they need, and it usually is, as I said, in fulfillment of a public project. So if there's a transit expansion in your neighborhood, this may be something relevant to you. But after that, after you've talked to them and understand the purpose, they may put an offer on the table. Lawyers can help negotiate those offers very effectively so that you end up managing the interests of unit owners and the condominium community simultaneously. There's a need for information in this process, and unit owners as well as directors need to know as much about the process while it's going on. We can help with that because we come out and we actually talk to your communities on what the process is about. And then we also engage the expropriating authority and have them explain what is going on in your community. With that said, you may wish to protest the actual taking of the land. That involves another legal process. And what we can do is help guide you through that process. You would file a notice of intention with the expropriating authority and have the opportunity to have a hearing. At that hearing, we would present evidence around why the corporation felt that the taking of the land was inappropriate. This may be married with other claims from unit owners or adjacent property owners as well. At that hearing, the expropriating authority would understand a bit better why you felt that the public policy reasonings did not apply to this piece of land and the taking of it. However, if you actually did agree with the public policy reasons and the taking of the land, but were more concerned about how your community was going to be compensated, we again can help you take you through that secondary stage of negotiating a proper settlement for your community. This part of the negotiation is actually governed by the Act as well as by case law, because expropriation has been going on in the province of Ontario for decades now. So, how do you make sure that your corporation gets what the land is worth? Well, you need a group and a team of professionals to guide you. You need a land appraiser, and you need lawyers who understand exactly what expropriation is about and the impact on your community. Is it an easement, or is it an actual taking of a component of the land? What is the long-term impact and risk to your community? These are all questions that we can help you answer together by employing other professionals who have expertise in this area. So if expropriation is a word that you've been hearing in your neighborhood, please call us early so that we can help you understand the process and ensure that your community works through this process together.